Where do you bang it out to?
I didn't do like the right process, and it fucking cracked it all. So
The fucking glow stick, dude.
sharpen it, polish it up and shit. You know what I mean?
What's up with those gloves? Those are big.
Oh,
Ooh.
Who puts beer in the cups for real? Who does that? They have
brother
beer in all
sucks
the,
cock.
in all the cups, dude. You put water. It just doesn't happen. Drink
Nah, they
it.
play with. I know.
That's the most
That was
beer.
great, dude.
We'll probably snow melt over there. Let's turn this one off for a second. They start turning into like paper. It's crazy.
Yeah, this is like a cheap like a beer stuff.
See this
No,
here?
like an actual like.
What did the audio come like one?
The grass, so it's so thin. It's almost crumbled down. It's so weird. You'll see it.
Oh shit, it's just like evaporating.
Bro, it turns into like, it does melt down like a substance. It's weird.
Rubber O-ring. Come on, turn that stuff right there.
Yeah, you got this. You can get videos of
I hit it with the grinder.
shit that matters in the world. Shit that matters in the world.
You should make a fucking a
Jay, what are you
Yo, Jay, you should make a club for like Ninja Style or something.
That'd be sick, dude.
Let me see it. Best hand